So these are the filters to put into the bottom of the tank, so that way if you wanted to make one and you could, you just have to do a lot of cuts. That way these go to the bottom and it will keep it from pulling up crap, and it also helps keep them to the bottom. So that's what's good these are for. So look at this right here. We got water. Got the blue gun. Now the blue gun is a little bit heavier than most times, but you can see here we can spray this really fast with chemical, change it over, and we got soap, right? I can hit the top of that house a little bit further. I can get pretty high up there. Look at that high.